Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to understand Wave's income by customer reports. This report helps you to see which customers are contributing most to your revenue. Step 1. Open reports. Click Reports from the left-hand menu in Wave. Step 2. Choose Income by Customer. Now you're going to find and click the Income by Customer reports under the Sales section. Step 3. Set your date range. Use the date filter at the top to select the desired period. Step 4. Analyze the breakdown. You will see a list of customers with corresponding totals for total invoiced, payments received, and outstanding balances. Customers with higher figures might be your top earners or those who owe you money. Step 5. Export or print for review. You can click Export to save a copy in PDF or CSV format. This is useful for client reporting or internal revenue analysis. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.